back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a work from home job lead where they are hiring worldwide. I actually have 5 job leads to share in this video. The first 4 are completely hiring worldwide, as far as I know, any country, the United States, South Africa, India, wherever. The last and 5th one is for my folks that live in India only. I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video with worldwide job leads. My expertise and experience is in the United States job market, so it's just easier for me to find jobs in the United States, but I continue to look out for jobs that are hiring worldwide in the United States and outside of the United States. So of course, as always, feel free to leave in the comments what country you're from and any specific thing that you're looking for, because I am always reading those and keeping that in the back of my mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And if I ever come across anything that I've seen I know people are looking for, I do share that. But first up, we have the company Pentasia. They are hiring a customer service agent. Now, they are looking for an English-speaking customer service agent for a fully remote role on behalf of their client called iGaming, an esports business. Now, you'll be responsible for providing customer service to players in the games via their live chat system and social media. So this is a non-phone customer support. They are looking for someone who is well-versed in basic troubleshooting techniques that can help solve issues caused by most internet gremlins, it says. The ability to think beyond telling people to clear their cookies and really be able to troubleshoot their issues. They are going to provide training for you. During training, you'll be expected to be proactive in the process and learn quickly. It'll take about 2 to 3 months to get fully up to speed, but once you have gotten through training, they're estimating that you're going to respond to about 100 tickets a day, so you need to be comfortable with high volume. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who is a great problem solver and can process and resolve issues quickly. You've got to have great communication skills. You've got to have a high level of compassion and desire to help people and make them happy. And of course, good technical understanding. Now, it does say their team consists of 30 plus people from 10 different countries. They're a fully global remote team. So it says you can work wherever you want. They are hiring from all countries. They do have a sliding pay scale that they implemented back in September of 2022 that they follow. It depends on what level of a customer service rep you are. It doesn't say whether you start out at level 1 and then you can move up through the ranks to level 5, or if they assign you a level based on your experience and skill level set when you have the interview. But at level 1 makes $71,660 a year, and it goes up through the different levels. A level 5 principal customer service rep can make $159,500 a year. Now, one thing to note, they are looking for agents who can work a 6 to 8 hour shift 5 days per week, but they do offer 24/7 customer support, so I don't know how they assign their shifts. Next up, we have the company Finixio. They are hiring a social media and community manager. Now, again, it says you can work anywhere you want to. They're hiring from all countries. They are headquartered out of London, but have teams remotely all over the world. But they are looking for a social media and community manager with a focus in iGaming or finance. So they have 2 different things that they kind of work on there. You'll be setting up the strategy for the growth for their global iGaming and finance communities to ensure it's implemented. You'll manage and moderate the communities across channels, including Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and LinkedIn. You'll use social media to drive awareness and traffic to their websites and channels. Of course, you'll then research, create, and publish different social media content, and you'll use analytical tools to monitor and evaluate the social media presence and engagement and make sure the things you are posting people are commenting on, liking, and engaging with. Now, again, they're not going to require any kind of college degree either. They want you to have at least 2 years experience in some kind of similar role, a passion for finance or iGaming, proven experience engaging with gaming players, the ability to identify and track different performance metrics. You need to be able to speak English and be a strong communicator. Now, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Now, moving right along, if you want something that is kind of part-time independent contractor, Screen Rant is hiring a list writer for reality TV. So this is a freelance 1099 position. If you're in the United States, I don't know what the tax laws are and what they're called outside of the United States, but you can work anywhere and it's flexible schedule. You work on your own schedule, but they are looking for people who have previous online writing experience and a passion for vertical that you're applying to. So a passion for reality TV. Now, they want you to write in a list style format, a minimum of 5 to 10 articles per week, following your requisite training and peer mentorship period. So they will give you training. You're going to be fact checking things with reality TV and then formatting, linking, and image sourcing and editing these documents that you are writing. You'll pitch story ideas to them as well. You'll accept and apply any feedback from their editorial team. So when you turn in your articles, if they ask you to make corrections, you will basically make those corrections. They are looking for someone who has a passion for content to drive and grow within the TV industry, deep knowledge of reality TV shows, a quick learner with a strong sense of urgency, and the ability to write articles free of typos and grammatical errors. Next up, if you want to be more on the editing side rather than the writing side, Social Pilot is hiring a content editor. Now, they are specifically looking for someone to work a Monday through Friday day shift. You'll be researching, editing, and proofreading the content on blog topics to be published online. So someone else has already written it, and you have to edit, proofread it, to make changes to it before it gets published. You'll implement the best practices of processes for editing, proofreading, restructuring, and reworking the copies for their website. Of course, you'll maintain best standards of the content, making sure it's unique and free of plagiarism. It helps if you know search engine optimization because you'll be using those strategies in your editing and optimizing for the web copy, and you'll create world-class content assets that attract, nurture, and convert leads on the website. They do prefer somebody for this one that has a bachelor degree in journalism, marketing, or some kind of communication field, although that is preferred and not required. They are looking for someone who has 4 years experience already in editing and proofreading, someone who has prior experience in the business-to-business or software as a service setup in international markets, someone who has good knowledge of social media technologies and platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of those things, someone who is up for a challenge and can multitask. All right, and this last one here is technically not worldwide. It's only for my people in India. So if you're outside of the country of India, you can drop off now. But I didn't want to not share this because I know customer service in India, sometimes the positions are hard to come by, or at least hard for me to find. But the company Mattermost is hiring a customer support engineer. Now, this is a full-time position. You'll be the primary point of contact for customers, helping them solve the problems and utilize Mattermost solution to the fullest. So you'll be answering tickets coming in from the APAC or EMEA customers, both technical and operational issues that they have. You'll triage the customer issues, debug, and find possible workarounds for them. You'll communicate with them via support tickets, email, Mattermost chat, and video conferencing with customers. So most of this outside of the video conferencing is going to be non-phone customer support. You'll submit and comment on bug reports. You'll create and update reproduction environments for customer issues. You'll engage with the Mattermost support teams to help provide high quality global support, and you'll maintain good ticket performance and satisfaction with the customers. Now, while they don't require a college degree, they are looking for someone who has enterprise level technical support experience, someone who's experienced working across teams to resolve support issues, someone who can triage, reproduce, test, and document bugs. So you've got to be a little bit technical there. Somebody who has experience with content management management platforms such as Zendesk or Salesforce. Of course, you've got to have great writing skills, and they want somebody who has experience with some kind of technical operations. All right, if you found any of these job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that it was helpful. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.